In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up Ionos email. Backing up emails is essential. It's like keeping a spare key or an extra tire. You hope you never need it, but if you do, you'll be glad it's there. Today, we'll go through each step to ensure you can safely back up your emails from Ionos, whether it's for archiving, security, or just peace of mind. First, navigate to the Ionos website. Open your preferred browser, type in the Ionos URL, or simply search for Ionos and follow the link. This will take you directly to their homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click it. On the sign-in page, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Start with your customer email address or domain associated with your Ionos account. Click Next. Then enter your password. Make sure it's correct to avoid any login issues. Click Next again to access your Ionos account dashboard. After successfully logging in, find your way to the Email section. Ionos has a user-friendly interface, so locating your email section should be easy. Inside this section, all your email activities and settings can be managed. Today, we're focusing on backup, so head straight to your inbox. Inside your inbox, you'll see a list of your emails. Carefully go through your inbox and check the box next to the emails you wish to back up. It's up to you to decide which emails are important enough to back up. It could be all of them or just a few that hold particular importance. After selecting the emails, locate the three dots or More menu icon, usually found toward the top of your inbox list. This button reveals additional actions you can take with your selected emails. Among these options, look for the one labeled Save as File. Clicking this option will create a downloadable file containing all the emails you've selected for backup. A download dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose a save location on your computer. It's a good idea to create a specific folder for your email backups if you plan to do this regularly. This makes managing and retrieving your backups easier in the future. Once you've selected where to save the file, the backup process begins. Depending on the number and size of the emails being backed up, this may take a moment. Generally, it's relatively quick, especially if you're only backing up a few important emails. And that's it, a simple yet effective way to back up your Ionos emails. Keeping a backup of your emails can be crucial, especially when you least expect it. Whether it's accidental deletion or unexpected data loss, having that backup ready can be a real lifesaver. As a closing tip, consider scheduling regular backups of your emails. Depending on how often you receive important communications, you might decide to do this weekly, monthly, or even quarterly. An updated backup ensures that even your most recent emails are safe. That wraps up our guide on how to back up your Ionos emails. By following these steps, you'll ensure your important communications are stored safely, giving you peace of mind in the digital age. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.